Today, I'm going to teach you how to make tagine mederble with chicken and caramelized pumpkin. Now, tagine mederble can refer to a tagine with caramelized eggplant, caramelized tomatoes, and in this case, caramelized pumpkin. I had some left over in my freezer from the last time I made caramelized pumpkin, and the sweet pumpkin goes so well with the savory chicken. So I have some chicken here with the skin on. I'm going to drizzle on a couple tablespoons of a nice Moroccan olive oil. Gonna add a big pinch of salt, and then I'm gonna go in with my spices. I have all of my spices that are imported from Morocco. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. 1 teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. We're gonna let the chicken cook for a couple of minutes to let those flavors sink in while I grate an onion. Once the spices have warmed, you'll add in grated onion, saffron water, and crushed garlic. Cook for a few minutes before adding in a splash of water. Put on the lid and cook for an additional 45 minutes or until the chicken is tender and the sauce has thickened. Now all that's left to do is add the caramelized pumpkin and eat. I'm gonna finish it with some chopped almonds. Serve it with some crusty bread and enjoy. Like and follow for more, and as always, psaha and bon appetit.